Welcome once again to On High Graphics, and this is Seven as usual. Now this video is going to be for those that use iOS, okay, those that are not able to maneuver their ways in the Pixel app, okay. So you buy you get this app from your Apple Store and it is free. Okay, so let's hit in and let's go to make our design. So this is the app. You have to get Canva. You can use their site or you get the app Canva. Okay, this is the app. You have to get Canva app. Okay, so that is it. That is it. Now it's open like this. Now in working with Canva, to your data has to be on. Okay, and that's why I mostly prefer. So this is the interface. I mostly prefer using Pixel app. Okay, so this is the interface of the Canva app. When you are open, you are seeing it like this. Okay, so here we go. We have it here like this. Now the Canva app already has some default template that you do not need to build your own thing again, should in case you are a beginner. In fact, if you're a beginner, the app already provided a lot of template for you. See this one, birthday templates, okay, and they are all editable. If somebody or a client wants you to design a flyer for him, you just hit on one and you just edit it, import the person's picture, and here you go. So that is why the Canva app is also really good. These are all, see this one, poster. If a pastor needs a poster for his program, all you need to do is to get this particular poster. Just hit in and then bring in the pastor's picture, and here you go. So these are all templates and they are all editable. You can put your hands on them, just try your hands on it. But remember, now when you get to a point where you have this crown on it, do not choose it because that one is premium. You need to pay or subscribe to this particular app before you can get access, and that means you're going to pay monthly charges or yearly charges. Okay, so that is it. Now this place is project, the same as the one that you see in the Pixel app. Okay, so project is what you have worked on. So if you are working on something, you press on this place, you are going to see that. Okay, these are templates like the ones that we have here, okay, so when you press on it, you're going to get a lot of template access to a lot of templates, and this sign is the premium. This way you will subscribe and pay monthly charges should in case you want to, but it's not advisable as a beginner. Okay, so now if you want to begin to create for yourself newly everything, you locate this plus sign. Okay, locate this plus sign, you locate that plus sign, and then the plus sign. So let me hit on it. We hit on it like this, and here we go. We hit on it so that it will send us to a place where we can work. Okay, so now when you hit on it like this is what you are getting. Okay, so when you hit on the plus sign, remember your data has to be on. My phone is really running slow because of the number of things I have on it. Okay, so we have it here like this. Okay, now the app will already select some default dimension that you can work on, Instagram post style or whatever. So this one, they are all there that you can work on it. But then if you want to create your own working area, working space, locate this place, locate this particular place here. Okay, locate that place. So let me locate it, and we have it here like this. Now you can see the width. You are seeing the width, this width. You are seeing height. Okay, and you are seeing the dimension that is in pixels, not in inch. Okay, it's in pixels. Okay, so let me press on it and work on that. So I'll work on 2300. Sorry, 3200, and then 3200. So that's the dimension I mostly work on. Then you will see create new design. Okay, so then you hit on it, and here you go. It will send you to the working area. Okay, so we have it here like this. If you want to create everything new, so we have our dimension that we want to work on here. You need to relax and take your time. I've told you that this one is data using, and network can jam or whatever. Okay, so that's the working phase. It will still give you template, but we don't want, we want to work our own thing. Okay, and then the down aspect here, check here, you are seeing a whole lot of things here: design elements, gallery. So this is what you can import from your gallery. This is your test. This is some default shapes that the app already has. Okay, so now let's maneuver away with it. So this is our working area. This is for master use. This one is for master use. Okay, this one is for master use. But you can just try your hands on this upload. When you are done there, you want to bring something from your gallery, you can use that one too. And then we have the draw in at this place. Okay, we have projects, what you have worked on. We have apps, so when you press on it, they are all there for you to use. But then for the purpose of this training, with the background or the interface that we are working on, this particular interface that we are working on, okay, so the whole of this interface that we are working on, you can change the color. So let me tap on that interface and let's see what is going to happen. Now you could see that borders have been indicated around it. Okay, it means that that one is selected, and then we can change the color from this place. Now when you check this down aspect to, a pop-up has appeared here. Okay, so you can use that one to work on this one. Let's locate the color, locate the color. Okay, and I locate it like this. Then with the color, the app already has some, but you can hit on this particular sign here, this particular sign that is pointing to the top, so that it will send you to the color wheel. Okay, or you press on this one, or you press on this one, and it will send you. So let me press on it, and here we go like this. Okay, so this is the color view that you can control. This is the color view that you can control, the color view panel that you can control here. So check my hand from this place. So I'm using this one, this particular circle, to control it. And then with the down aspect here, you can also control how the color should be. You see, with this one, this place is selected, so we have red that has been selected here. Okay, because this one is pointed on the red. This small shape that you see white there is on the red. So when I move that shape, that small shape on the red from this place, see what the design has become. Okay, so it means that I've moved it. Now check now, I've moved it from the red aspect to this aspect. Are you seeing it? That is where it is here, small here. Okay, so that is what I am talking about. Okay, but I want the background to be red, so I'll just send this one to the red aspect, and then I can use this one also to control the deepness and everything that I want the red to be. So this particular little button here, so let's use that one to make it, send it to the red aspect. So you see it now, it has become red. I can bring it here and the color is changed, but this is where I want it to be. Okay, and then when you are doing, then it is done. You just come to this particular area, there's something small here, press on it, or you use the cancel button to do that. Okay, so I'll just send this one down, and it is here like this. Then I'll come to this place, I'll come to this place and just cancel it, and then here we are. So we have changed the color of our working area. Now let's go to this particular side with the shapes. Okay, this element, okay, this elements here on the Canva is talking of element that you can use in design, like shapes and then stuff. So I come here like this, and then it will be opened for me here. Remember, you are working with this, so you see with the Canva app, you stand a chance, because all these ones are there for you. You don't, with Pixel Lab, that you need to import them, but with the Canva you have all these ones that you can use. Yes, you have all these ones. So now this is it, these are all designs for you that you can use in your designing. So that is it for you with the Canva app, and it is very, very nice. But then we are going to choose, so you see all these ones are also custom shapes that the app already has. Okay, so I will choose this particular first one. Let me choose this particular first one. Okay, that's my recent use. Okay, you are seeing it here, recent use. So let me choose that one. You can select that one. I press on it like this, and here we go. Okay, so here we go. Now we are having it here like this. Okay, it appears like this, and then I will just press on this sign because it's becoming big. Let me press on this sign, this particular sign, okay, and cancel it. Okay, so I press on it like this, and it is cancelled. So you are seeing the one that the shape that we imported here. Okay, the shape that we went to the element aspect to go and take. Okay, so you are seeing that shape there. Now tap on that shape. I tap on it like this, and then here we go. So you are seeing these panels around. You can use that one to enlarge it. Okay, all these panels. Okay, you can use them to enlarge it. So i'll use I'll use this side. I'll use that side. Okay, so let me use that side to bring it down. Use this side to send it to the top. Okay, use it to send it to the top. Let me come in, and now the app will already help you to position your work well. Okay, once you're going, something will be directing you, like a magnet will be directing you. Okay, so let me increase this one to be big, small. Something like this will be okay. Okay, so we have it here like this. Then you tap your hands on it to position it well. Okay, so I guess something like this will be okay. And then you press on this particular sign to send you off. Now, when you check this down aspect, you see shapes here again. So it gives you the chance to also change these shapes again. And then you see color, you can change the color of this one from white. You can make it star. Okay, so that is it. So let me just press on this one. And then here we go. And then here we go. Okay, so you can just make sure that you position it well, and then you are done. So now let's move to the test aspect quickly. Let's move to the test aspect. Now I'll press on the test like this, and then with the test you can just choose this one, heading. Okay, in case you want heading, this is subheading. Okay, but if you want to bring in your own thing, this where bring in your own thing, this where you will go add a test box. Okay, so let me press on that one and let's see. So whilst I am teaching you this one, it does not stop you from fishing out, finding how you can maneuver your way with this particular app. Okay, so now once I have it here like this, let me type on highs. Okay, on highs kitchen. Okay, so we have it here like this. We have it here like this. Then here we go. Then you can press on here, this particular one here, this particular cancel that you see there, because I think it has vanished. Okay, so yes, so that's where it's appeared down here. Okay, so this down aspect, just press on it so that you will be sent back to the interface. So let's press on it like this, and here we are. So we are seeing the on high here. Okay, so now go and select, tap on it again, and it will be selected. You see now it is selected. Now when it's selected like this, you can use this panel to increase it. Okay, now let's use that panel to increase it. So you tap on it, and then it will be increased like this. Okay, now once you have it here like this, you tap on it like this. Now check the down aspect here too. You are having a lot of options here that you can still work on it. A lot of options, you can edit it. Okay, you can, the magic right is for master, so it will be done later. Fonts, you can change the font. So let's go to the font. Let's locate our font. Okay, let's locate our font. So I press on it like this. You locate our font, and then a lot of fonts will appear here. Okay, so let me just hit on the up button. This particular button is what I'm talking about, so that I'll get a lot of fonts. So here like this. So in case you know a font that you want to use, that font, you can just type in it in here. Okay, you type it in here, and then you are getting it. Okay, so I want to use this particular font, the Antum. Okay, I want to use that font. I press on it like this, and then it will affect my test. So you are seeing how the test has appeared now. Okay, this is how the test has appeared now. So let me go in. I bring this one down like this, and then I have it here like this. So you can use this size to still increase it to the size that you want. Okay, so let me reduce it more. I want it to be like this, or something like this will be okay. Okay, so here like this, and then you can use your hands to position your work. Okay, so I have it in here like this. Once you have it in there like this, you can come to your color aspect. It is text color. Okay, this place, this A, you can come there, or okay, so let's deal with that one. Let's deal with that one. Now you could see that we have default colors here too already, or ones that you can build, and then you can build another one too. So you can hit on this one, this plus sign, how I showed you, this particular one, okay, or this one, and then you change your color. So let me hit on this particular plus one, and then it will send me to the color wheel. Then I can control the color from this place. Okay, I can control the color from this place. I think I've showed you, so let me quickly do that. Okay, so I've showed you how to do that. Okay, have you seen that it is controlling the color and it's having effect on the text? So I think this one will be okay for me. Then I'll press on this place and then it has affected the text. I'll press on this place, and then here we go. So the text is affected. Now you can use this one to just move it the edge. Okay, you see these panels here. You will see these particular panels, you see them here, and they are the ones that you can use to move. So in order to move, I just long press on it, or I'll press on it one, and then it will be moved, since if you don't want to use your hands to work with that. Okay, so we have it here like this. Positioning is there. Layers is when you have worked with more than one item. Okay, you want to send one to the other, the back of the other. In watching the tutorial for the pixel lab, you will see all this. Okay, so we have it here like this, and then you press on this, and then everything is settled. You press on this cancel, and then here you go. So you have it here like this. If you want to position it well again, you can press on it, and then it will be selected, and then you can position it well. Okay, so I like it like this. Now once it's here like this, now you know how to just your test. Okay, so you can press on your test again. So the things that you have to write, you press on your test, and then you write, and then I'll show you how to select your font. Okay, now let's go to the gallery. Let's go to the gallery. Okay, let's locate the gallery. So you see the gallery here. Okay, you see the gallery here. That's the gallery. Select it. Okay, let's just select the gallery, and then it will send you to your gallery. Okay, it will send you to your gallery. Just be patient, because this one you are using data, and it's because of my phone actually running slow, because I have a lot of things on it, so it is running slow for now. But for you, your own, if you don't have plenty things on it, it's going to run fast. Okay, so these are recent one, but you just have to tap in this place. Okay, this particular sign here. So when I tap on it, you know, all this, and then it will send me to where I can select. So quickly, let me go. You know where your things are, so let me go and then select the things that I want to use. So I have these ones that I want to use. So I'll locate my downloads, and then I will quickly go to the things that I want to import. So I think this one, you select it. Okay, then I will select this one and select this one. So another advantage is that with the Pixel Lab app, you can select images more than one. Okay, so but with the Canva app, you can select more than one at a time, but with the Pixel app, you cannot do that. Okay, so you press on your add to page, this place, add to page, and then it will be added to your working area. So let's have patience so that it will be added to our working area. Okay, okay, and then here we go. Okay, so all the three have been imported. So you can see one, we have this one here, we have this one too here, We have this one to here, and we have our jollof to here. Okay, so now then you use this place, okay, this particular place, this dot that you see around. So let me tap here to reduce the size. Okay, now the size is reduced, and then you just need to use your hands. With the Canva app, is really nice to maneuver your way with it. You select the another one to use this place to squeeze it, okay, and then use your hands to position it well. Choose the next one, okay, because you don't need to import them one or import them once, and then just work on them in your working area. So you can position this one to here, then here we go. So all our things have been imported. All we need to do is to write our things, okay, and I've shown you how to write it. So let me go here and then just come to the add test again, add test box again. Okay, so I'll point on that one, add test box, and here we go. It does appear like this, and I will write maybe food menu. So I'll have food menu. I'll have food menu as we did in a pencil app, and then I'll press here, and here we go. So I will select it and then work on it. So I'll just bring it here. So I've told you that the Canva app will help you in position, so you can see some dimension that is appearing. So it is helping me to position this particular food menu well. Okay, so we have it here like this. Then I will use this side, this button that is add. Okay, so when I press, are you seeing how it has become? So I'll use that one to make it big, and then you can use the one that you see here. You see that one too, to squeeze it like this and bring the menu down. Okay, so we have this one like this. Then you can still increase it like this. Okay, now when you select that one, you know how to use your font text style. Text style, put your hands on it, you know what it means. Now come here, come to the format. Now with the format, you are seeing bold, you can italize, you can underline, you can cancel. Okay, but then I want the alignment. Okay, so now let's choose left alignment. Now you see that it has been aligned to the left. Okay, then I press on my cancel like this, and I have it here like this. Locate the spacing. I locate the spacing here like this. Okay, locate the spacing here like this, and then we have letter spacing and you have line spacing. Letter spacing means that you are giving the letters one by one, the letters. So let me just show you. See that the letters are being separated. Okay, but that is not what I want. Okay, I want the line. So check the line to is in between two words. Okay, but I want the lines to be close more. Something like this will be okay. Okay, so we go, and then you can reduce. Okay, you point on this, you press on this, the buttons. Okay, these buttons that you have at the vertices, you can press on it to squeeze your shape or your text. Okay, something like this will be okay. So I'll position it here well, well. Okay, okay, so we have it here like this. We have it here like this, and here we go. Okay, so I wouldn't want this video to be long. I wouldn't want it to be long. I've showed you how to build this one and the shapes, so you are good to go. You are good to go. You are good to go. Okay, so you just have to put your hands on it, and you can make something nice. Okay, so you can just come to your test again, and then let's write in our things that we want. We want what? Maybe jollof rice, and then chicken. We have chicken. Okay, chicken. And then we have fried yam. We have our fried yam. Okay, we have our fried yam like this. And then you press on this one, the cancel button here, and here you go. So let me tap on it again. Then it is selected. Then I will use my hands to make it position well. Okay, so alignment has to work. Alignment has to work here. Alignment has to work here. Okay, so you know the app, okay, the app is helping me and it's aligned. Then you will come to this place, locate the format, and let's make it left alignment. Okay, so that's okay for me. Now I want to go and change the font of this particular text. So locate your font. You see fonts here. Okay, font the FF. Locate it, and then it will give you a lot of fonts here. Okay, the app will give you a lot of fonts there. So let's locate it. The app will give you a lot of fonts. Hit on this button, hit on this button, hit on this button. Okay, so let me hit on it like this. And you see with the Canva app, you don't need to import another app. The app already all this one. So you just have to type in if you need, any fonts, you have a font name in your head you want to use, hit on it. With this one, I want to use Monsterage, okay? And Monsterage have its bold, then and whatever. So you just hit on this arrow. I want to use Monsterage medium. Okay, you see the medium here. That's what I want to use. So I will select the medium, and then it will tick for me and shows that I'm using the Monsterage medium. Okay, so that's the name of the font. So you see that the font of the jollof rice, the chicken, and the fried yam has been changed. Okay, so I press on this one, and here we go, and here we go. So that is it. That is it. Let me show you how you can build another shape. So just come to your elements, come to your elements, come to your elements, select this first shape, the same first shape that you selected. Okay, select that first shape again. Okay, so we select it like this. Just press on the color, okay, the A aspect, but you cancel it for the meantime, and it will send you here like this. Tap on that same shape again, and then you can use the edges and then the vertices to control how you want it to be. So I'll position this one here, somewhere here like this will be okay. So you see the color, you come here, the color aspect is here. You can write in text, you can change the shape. Okay, so these are you can, okay, so this is it. So we are dealing with the shape. Let me choose the color. Let me choose the color. So we see the colors that have appeared here. I can choose this one. Okay, that one is okay. I can choose the red too. The red is okay. I can choose this color as well. Okay, so I have it here like this. Have it here like this, and I'll press on this one. Okay, so and then here will be the shape. Okay, as you are seeing, sorry. So that is the shape that you are seeing. You can tap on that same shape. Okay, so in case you want another shape that is another shape that should look like this, when you tap on it, you are seeing some panels that have appeared on top. Okay, the three dots, the delete sign, the duplicate sign. Okay, and then the image, that one don't use. Now go the one that has plus in it. Okay, the two boxes that are appeared. Okay, just tap on it, and then this particular shape is going to be duplicated. So it means that it has been duplicated. Now let me move one from it. So you see one is moved from it and position it here. Okay, so one is moved from it and I'll position it there. Okay, so let me select the jollof rice, bring it down small. Okay, something like this will be okay. Go and select the food menu. Let me select the food menu. Okay, and then bring it down small. Okay, so I have it here like this. Again, let me select this particular shape and also bring it down. Let me select this shape and then bring it down small. Or if you know working, you can just come here and then work. You can come and then use the nudge. Okay, use the nudge and let it work. Okay, so use the nudge and then it's going to work. You see, this video is getting long. This video is getting long. You can just long press it and then it will go. This video is getting long because you need to use data. You need to use data for these particular designs. Yes, and you know how the network has to be jammed because my phone is full. So let me just work on this particular shape. Okay, I work on it like this. Let me make it small. Okay, so you can work on it, work your hands on it, work your hands on it. Okay, so we have it in here like this, and then you know what we type there. Type in the table, and then the down aspect here, you will type in order now. Then when you are done, you can just type in your number. So I've shown you that this app, when you just come to the element aspect, you are going to get the core. Okay, so you get the core. Okay, this one, you just tap on it like this, and then it will come here. Okay, so here is it. So you don't need to import. That's why people that will use the Canva will stand at an advantage point. Okay, so here, then you come, you know where we position it. Okay, so you just have to work on it, work on it. Let me, okay, make it small. Okay, so it is there like that. Now I can just come to use the edge and position it. Okay, so that is it. That's how you can maneuver your way when it comes to. So it is coming, it is coming. Okay, okay, okay. So I just want to squeeze it again so that it's going to be small. Okay, so something like this will be okay for me. Use the edge and bring it down. Okay, so it is coming. As you see, it is coming. So that is it. I don't want the video to be long, so I've shown you how to test, how to get your test, how to import your things. Now when you are done with this, let me show you how you can save it. Okay, let me show you. So you see it is coming. Yes, now this is where maybe I want to position it, and then you write your number. As you know where to locate your test, locate your test, write your number, and you put it in. So we are done for this particular tutorial. I don't want it to be long, so I'm going to show you how you can save your design using the Canva app. Okay, so let me go now. Check at the top, you see this particular sign, that is the download sign, this particular arrow that points down. Okay, check here, you see it. So when you point on it like this, okay, and then you see save as image. Okay, so it is preparing to save, it's preparing to be saved. Okay, preparing your design. So Canva will work on it. Canva will work on it like this. When Canva is done, it's going to be saved. Okay, 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 okay. Then you see saved to gallery. Sorry. Okay, I will not share, so I don't want it. And then it is saved to our gallery. It is saved to our gallery. I don't know why this one is doing like this. I has to come, but since that's done like this, okay, so it is saved to gallery. So it has been saved already. So that is it. That's how you can save your this one. It has been saved to gallery. So that's it for those that are using the iOS, and how you can maneuver your ways, okay, with the Canva app. So I think I've showed you how you can maneuver your way. So any other design, you just try your hands on it. Since you are using iOS, sorry, okay. So you see our design has appeared here. So it means that we saved already. It has appeared here as a project. Okay. So that is it. That is it. So until we meet in the next module of this training, this is Seben. Goodbye.